Intro. Imagine being able to grow your money while you sleep. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that's exactly what interest can do, if you understand how it works. In this video, I'll explain the basics of interest, why it matters, and how you can actually use it to build wealth instead of losing money to it. Whether you're just getting started with money or want to sharpen your financial game, this one concept can seriously change your future. Let's get into it. Section 1. What is interest? First up, what is interest, really? Interest is the cost of borrowing money, or the reward for saving it. That's it. If you borrow money from a bank, you'll pay them interest. That's how they make money. But if you put money into a savings account, you're basically lending your money to the bank, and they'll pay you interest for that. You borrow $1,000 at 10% interest. After 1 year, you owe $1,100. That extra $100? That's interest. Now flip it. You save $1,000 at 5% interest, and after 1 year, you earn $50. So in short, interest can either make you money, or cost you money, depending on which side you're on. Section 2. Simple versus compound interest. There are two types of interest you need to know: simple interest and compound interest. Simple interest is calculated only on your original amount, or principal. If you invest $1,000 at 5% simple interest, you earn $50 every year. No change. Compound interest is where the magic happens. It's interest on your original amount plus any interest you've already earned. This means your money grows faster over time because you're earning interest on interest. That's how compound interest turns small, regular investments into serious money. Section 3. The power of compound interest. Let's see this in action. If you invest $1,000 at 8% interest and just let it sit, after 10 years, you'll have about $2,158. After 20 years? Over $4,600. After 30 years? More than $10,000. And that's without adding anything else. Just letting your money grow. Now imagine if you added to it every month. That's the power of compound interest, your money working for you. Section 4. How to use interest to your advantage. Alright, so how do we take this knowledge and actually use it to get ahead? 1. Save in high-yield accounts. Instead of letting money sit in a checking account earning nothing, use high-yield savings accounts or certificates of deposit, CDs, that actually pay you interest. 2. Start investing early. The earlier you start investing, the more compound interest works in your favor. Even small amounts matter. Look into index funds, Roth IRAs, or employer retirement plans like a 401k. 3. Avoid high-interest debt. Credit cards and payday loans often charge extremely high interest rates, sometimes 20% or more. This is interest working against you. Always try to pay off bad debt fast. 4. Pay down loans strategically. If you have student loans or a car loan, paying more than the minimum helps you avoid paying extra interest over time. Section 5. Real-life scenario. Let's do a quick real-life comparison. Two people start with $1,000. One spends it. The other invests it at 8%. After 10 years, spender equals $0. Investor equals $2,158. After 30 years, investor equals over $10,000. Same starting money. Different future. That's the power of using interest wisely. Summary: interest is one of the most powerful forces in personal finance. Understand it, and you can grow wealth automatically. Ignore it, and it could cost you thousands. Thanks for watching. If you learned something today, give this video a like, Subscribe for more financial tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next one.